So hello all, welcome you all in the Smart YouTube channel. This is the mock interview series. So myself CMA Mahendra Sani, and let me introduce my today's interview panelist. We have with us CMA Suresh Poddar sir, and we have also CMA Lakshita Motwani ma'am. So yes, Sai Kumar, before starting the today's conversation, as we see your CV, that it's proud moment for me and everyone that you are the All India rank 16 in the CMA final,
Thank
and
you, sir.
you also secured All India rank 39 in the CMA intermediate, right?
Yes, sir.
So you are the really shining star of our profession. So let's start today's this mock interview. So Sai Kumar, just tell me brief your introduction to the panelists so that we can know about you, right?
Yes, yes, sir. Thank you for the opportunity. As you mentioned, my name is Sai Kumar. I am born and brought up in Yaragondapalam, Andhra Pradesh, and I did my schooling in my home, schooling and plus two in my city itself, and I pursue my CMA course and I got All India 39th rank in my inter and 16th rank in my final, and I did 3.5 years articleship in two firms, one C Satish and one NC Rajgopal in Chennai, and I did statutory audit, limited review of stat and other DT and EDT works.
Okay, so my first question is, Sai Kumar, why did you choose the CMA only? Why did you not go in another fields? Because you have the good academic records also, right? So why didn't you go in the civil services, engineering? Why only CMA? But any specific reasons to choose the CMA?
Yes, sir. I heard very good about the CMA profession, and I had seen people who had gone in this course, and I take them as my inspiration and took this course as a challenge. I did my CMA, and after getting any professional degree, I will think about the next UPSCR and some other thing. So people around me had got so much success in CMA profession, and I took it in as my profession also.
Hmm. So CMA degree is provided by the ICA, the Institute of Cost Account of India, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
what that main objective and vision and mission of this institute?
Yes, sir. This CMA Institute wants to provide good uh, professionals to the society, and uh, who can give nation uh, professional services in the fields of cost accounting and cost audit, and in other fields of the other fields also.
Okay, so Sai Kumar, as you secured All India rank, right? So obviously you
Yes,
did
sir.
your hard working as a different, other as a normal person, normal student.
Yes, sir.
Obviously, you did something different to secure this. Obviously, no doubt. So my question is, suppose that you are placed in our
Yes, sir.
organization. So what will your different work what your will be your value addition work except the day-to-day transactions? So you want to provide, you want to contribute to our profession. So can you tell me then the brief like in 2 3 points?
Yes, sir. As my organization gives me the daily targets, and I will take it as a challenge to complete those. And in addition, I will make me to learn anything new in the organization other than my respected role, and tries to involve in the situations where I can discuss with my seniors and other members in the organization, and I can learn out of this. Uh, Even I am not liable to do that also. Basically, I want to discuss with other peoples and take their views on that, and I will take it as a collective decision.
Hmm.
and I will see
What,
and I will take guidance from the
like,
my
what is your hobby?
yes sir, hobbies.
What is your hobby?
Hobby playing sports and traveling. Cooking, I will cook very well. I in home and in hostel, in my room also, sir. I'll cook for my friends, and I will take it
Hmm.
as a my side profession also after getting job. And basically I want to learn different types
Okay.
of cooking.
Hmm.
Yes, sir.
Okay, ma'am, go ahead.
Okay, Sai. So tell me something apart from your CV.
Yes, basically I haven't mentioned many things in my CV. I am a learner. I want to meet people with all around the country or around the globe. I want to meet and interact with the people, other peoples who are not from the my religion or my place or my uh, community or profession. So I am good at meeting people and making friends other than who means we are not familiar also.
Okay. So how do you think like when you join an organization, you'll get that chance to do?
Then means obviously we the team will be limited, and uh, most of the time we have to speak with our team members, and around in other cultural activities and other organizational meetings we can meet with different team members, and we can um, speak with them also.
Okay, but they won't be from the different country then.
Different country is depending upon
You
the
will be around
situation.
the globe, across the globe. That's why.
Yes, yes. I haven't met as of now. Maybe in the future, in my professional career, and I will meet people around the globe in the organization to discuss with the projects or something.
Okay. So where do you see yourself 5 years down the line?
Yes, future is not predictable, but I want to learn in a way that I can lead my life in a successful way in and want to add value to the organization where I work, and to give the best results in whatever I do in the future.
Okay. And as I can see, you have got 39th rank in inter, but 16th rank
Yes,
in final. So at what
yes.
point were you lacking that you got a lesser rank in inter?
At the time I don't have that much guidance or whatever, and I had learned many things through YouTube by taking classes from around the India in from different lectures. At the inter time I haven't taken any of those. I haven't referred those videos and any educational guidance to score good marks and good rank in the results. So I took it as a basically YouTube and other coaching classes helped me a lot to good take good educational support from the institutes.
Okay. So have you added on any new skill in the past 1 month? Any new skill that you have acquired in the last 1 month?
In, yes, actually, little time management I had learned, giving
That's good.
importance to others in life means family members and friends, and before while in studies we ignore them all and making won't meet any of them too much in life. So in 1 month I mm, met my family and friends and learned many things from them and emotional attachment to them with them.
Okay. Fine. And tell me thing that made you smile today.
Actually, I saw a meme in Instagram regarding the one of the cricket cricket. I watch cricket more, and I had seen meme regarding Kane Williams in exit from SRH. I had laughed.
Okay, so that was on social media. Okay.
Yes.
Sir, off to you now.
So, I am not able to listen.
Sir?
Am I audible?
Hello, sir.
Am I audible?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. So, Sai Kumar, how are you?
I am fine, sir. How are you, sir?
I'm fine. As just you mentioned that you learn time management in last few months. So tell me one thing. If you
Yes, sir.
have some family function on a particular day, and at the same day you have a office meeting also.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
on time is almost same. So how will you manage it?
Okay, sir. First, I will attend my meeting and make sure that as quick as possible, I'll finish my work on time, and I'll take permission my senior, or I will take permission from my senior after completing that work, and I'll leave to function, sir. Basically, organization comes in first, sir.
Okay, but if the timing are almost same, so you have to choose one thing.
Yes, sir.
Then what would you
Then
do?
I will attend my work, and I will see the importance of work at that time, sir.
Okay.
If it is very important and it is very important on due date time, I have to give the deliverables. Means I will attend the organization meeting.
Okay. You mentioned in your CV that you done a article assistant, articleship in C Satish Kumar, right?
Yes, sir.
For 6 months in 2017. Is it the
Yes, sir.
articleship for CMA?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And you completed your CMA in 2022.
Yes, sir.
So why there is a big difference?
Sir, I felt that the 6 months articleship is not enough to learn many things in the professional course, and for writing CMA final, I thought practical knowledge in various fields will help me to write the exam with ease and clear it in first attempt. And COVID also impacted me, and I helped my father in his business. After that, I realized that a professional degree is very important to lead a very good life and earn some respect. So I took it as a challenge and cleared it in June 22.
Okay, great. So you mentioned that you have done the central statutory audit of SBI, right?
Yes, sir.
So can you tell me what is the difficulty arise in while performing the statutory audit?
Yes, sir. Statutory audit is mandatory by the RBI, and it is very. We have to give it on time, and we can't extend it more than prescribed due time. So it is very. They will give around 10 days to complete the audit of the respective branch, and we have to do it in extending hours. Also, we have to attend the office, and we have to complete the work on time. So
Okay.
that is the most difficulty while I faced in
Time
the audit of.
boundation.
Yes, sir.
You mean to say time boundation?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what is the LFAR report?
Long form audit report for the as an auditor, we have to fill the long form audit report and submit to the RBI.
Okay. And you have done the working in international taxation matter also.
Yes, sir.
What kind of work you have done in international taxation?
Yes, sir. International taxation means in tax audit report under 92 CE of Income Tax Act. I filled it and form, sir.
Okay, you fill the report under section 92 CE.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So what is the method used to compute the arm's length price?
There are multiple methods for calculating arm's length price, more profit split method, cost plus margin method, and range concept, and
Okay.
another two are there.
Okay. Okay, so you also mentioned that you have good knowledge of tax saving and provided advisory and opinions to save the tax.
Yes, sir.
So I'm also a practicing chartered accountant also. So can you tell me
Yes,
two
sir.
things to save the tax for a company?
Company. Yes, sir. If it is a manufacturing company, we invest in plant and machinery where we can get the additional depreciation and recruit more employees where we can get the deduction under 80 double J double A.
But if you're not, we are not have requirement for the employee. So
Yes, sir. Give me 1 second, sir, to think.
no issue.
I am not able to read.
Okay, no issue. As you mentioned that you have done many of the practical topics, and you added the international taxation also in your skill. So how it is a skill to
Yes,
you?
sir. Means people have so many people haven't done any international taxation related matters. So I had kept it as a value addition to skills, sir.
Okay. Okay. So can you tell me what is the cost benefit analysis?
Cost benefit analysis is analysis where we analyze the cost and benefit out of the situation where, and we will see the cost and benefit, or if it is beneficial to the organization, we will go for that options.
Okay. Okay, ma'am, you can go ahead.
Okay, so now I would like to ask you, like, what's your career objective?
Career to work in a dynamic environment where I can use my knowledge, skill, attitude, and to lead a successful role in the organization.
Okay, but that's not what you have mentioned in your CV.
Yes, last line I missed.
Okay, fine, no problem. Yeah. So as you mentioned about cooking, right?
Yes.
So what dishes can you prepare?
Non-veg, veg, paneer, lot of varieties I made at home.
Okay,
But I
fine.
haven't gone into sweets or pastries. I haven't gone into that segment. Basically, home needs everything.
Okay. So do you want to take up cooking as a profession afterwards?
Means leisure at leisure time.
Okay,
Means
it was
where I
like
can take morning, evening sessions, 1 hour, where I can go in a professional chef and I can work under him.
okay, so you
Work
want to
under
do
him.
that.
Yes.
So
People,
do
a lot
you
of
think
people.
that will hamper your work at organization?
No, I will take it in after and before hours of the organization. Morning time 6 to 7, evening 9 to 10, or we can go at 11 to 12 also in some
But
restaurants.
fine, but then you will be tired and automatically the work at organization will be hampered, what I feel.
Okay. I will
Okay.
manage, basically managing his life now.
Because you have learned time management, that's why.
Yes, I want to, but definitely I will manage. Means putting hard work in many ways to learn, to seek many things, to seek many knowledges in life.
Okay. So as you have also mentioned that you love traveling, right? So the last
I
place you
haven't get it. Goa. After writing CMA exams, I went to Goa for relaxing.
Okay. So a thing that you learned from that journey.
Means in my city, and I haven't seen any greenery or it is very hot in my city, and I had seen another way of nature in the Goa where it has rained the whole day and pure greenery and felt the air. So a lot of water, water I had seen, waterfalls and other things.
Okay. So that's the difference between your place and Goa. I'm asking you what you learned from that journey. Any learning?
Different cultures. Yes, I met a lot of people in Goa where I had seen people are making friends. Means they are not traditional in nature. They are very jovial and very generous to talk. So I spoke with many people around the India and I learned something. I learned communicating different ways of communication in the Goa trip.
Okay. So you have also mentioned about playing games. So what kind of games do you play?
Cricket and badminton.
Okay.
Cricket I will play.
Sure, complete
Yes.
first.
Huh?
You were
Yes,
saying
I
something.
haven't.
You can complete.
No, I
Okay.
cricket and badminton.
Okay. So what are the qualities of a good leader? How do you show your leadership skill in cricket?
Yes, cricket means managing a proper team in a proper way where I can get the required results from the players of the team. So I'm managing the situations where I have to pick one bowler at a time where he can deliver the required wickets and slow pacing of the game and taking decisions also very important in a cricket match where we can send that batsman and where we can uh, change the stroke play. And,
Okay. So any 5 qualities that a leader must have? What do you think?
obviously management skill and decision making, team motivation, giving motivation. Sorry. Okay, that's it.
Okay, fine. Okay. So as you have also mentioned about costing in your CV, in your skills. So what is life cycle
Yeah.
costing?
Yes, life cycle costing is a costing where product starts costing of a product from its beginning to its end, and it will have 4 stages in life cycle costing: introduction, growth phase, end phase, and maturity phase of a product. Where introduction means where we have to um, promote the product, and growth phase is where it reaches the its where it product sales are increasing in a way, and maturity is the final stage where it product sales are reached up to maximum level, and decline is the product falling stage in the market.
Okay. And what's the other name for life cycle costing?
Product life cycle costing, beginning to end life.
Okay, there's a different name for that. Fine. Okay, and difference between absorption costing and standard costing.
Absorption costing is a traditional way of costing where we will uh, calculate the product cost in a means material cost. We will include the all costs in the product cost of the product, and standard costing is a tool for cost control where we can compare the actual versus budget, planning versus actuals.
Okay, then what is marginal costing?
Marginal costing is where marginal costing is a type of costing where product price cost increases with the increase in volume of products.
Okay, so doesn't that happens in absorption costing?
Where marginal costing is a type of costing where product price cost increases with the increase in volume of products. Okay, so doesn't that happens in absorption costing?
Okay, so doesn't that happens in absorption costing?
No, product here we will consider only variable cost in marginal costing, where absorption costing will take the all costs.
Okay. Sir, off to you now.
Okay. So, Sainath, can you tell me the TDS provision relating to professional fees?
Yes, sir. Professional TDS on professionals is for at 10%, and the limit for it is 30,000, and for technical services it is 2%.
In which section?
194J, sir.
194J. And what about the contract? TDS on contract?
It is under 194C, and it is at 1% for individuals and 2% for companies, and threshold limit is 10,000.
10,000.
Sir. 10,000, sir. Yes.
Or if I give you multiple contract of rupees 10,000, 6 contract of rupees 10,000, then it would be liable for deduction of TDS or not?
No, sir. There are 6 different contracts. No, sir. It has to be more than 10,000. So
More than 10,000 for a single contract.
yes, sir.
Or if there are 15 contract of rupees 10,000, then
15 contracts of,
yeah, 15 contracts of rupees 10,000 each to you.
no, sir. It not liable for TDS.
Okay. Okay. So what is CAS2, Cost Accounting Standard 2?
It is on capacity determination.
And what is installed capacity?
Installed capacity is the maximum capacity that for a machinery installed at the time of purchasing.
Can you tell me the 3 factors which impact the installed capacity?
Obviously, the life of the machinery and anticipated demand, anticipated products from that machinery. Sorry, sir.
Okay. So, can you tell me about the CAS 17? Cost Accounting Standard 17.
Yes, interest and finance charges.
Okay. Is it become the part of the cost?
No, sir. Not will be form part of the product cost, sir. It is actually chargeable charges.
Okay, great. So, Sainath, are you listed, shortlisted in any company right now?
Sir, I shortlisted in 3 companies, sir, as of now.
Which are?
In ITC Hotels and Ford Motors and BEML, Bharat Earth Movers.
Okay, and who is the managing director of ITC Hotels?
Actually, I have some Sura, sir, forgotten.
Okay, and what is
Actually,
the?
I had gone through the annual report of it.
Okay, you gone through the annual report of ITC Hotel, right?
Yes, sir.
What is the net profit ratio in the last year for ITC Hotel?
Sorry, sir. I had gone through 3-4 days back. I am not able to recall.
Well, in out of these 3 companies, which is your priority?
Ford Motors. Ford Motors is the first priority.
So you have you should learn about Ford Motor, right?
No, sir. I am not able to get it. Sorry.
So you should you have learned about the Ford Motor if you want to get selected at that company.
Yes, sir.
So who is the owner of Ford Motors?
Sorry, sir.
So in companies which you are shortlisted, please go through it. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, and you belong to Andhra Pradesh, right?
Yes, sir.
So who is the Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh?
Jagan Mohan Reddy, sir.
Jagan Mohan Reddy. Okay. And who is the finance minister?
Finance minister is.
Okay. Okay. When I ask you for the tax planning, okay. So why you
Yes, sir.
not suggested me to invest in Andhra Pradesh? Because there are also some tax benefit if we invest in Andhra Pradesh.
Yes, sir. Those are all exhausted, sir. By the end of the 31st March 2020, all those provisions got exhausted, sir.
All the provisions.
Yes, sir. 32 AC and all removed.
Is there any additional depreciation for Andhra Pradesh?
Yes, sir, at 20%.
For Andhra Pradesh.
Yes, sir. For additional, yes, additional depreciation for manufacturing companies, but I think that section also got exhausted, sir. I don't have any clarity.
So, if you have an option to choose any of the three company, all are selected to you, but
Yes,
you
sir.
have to choose one company.
Yes, sir.
So, what the three things
Yes, sir.
important to you while doing the selection of the job? Three things which were you want to in that job.
Actually, my role in that organization and the pay is matching to the role, respective role, and the work culture in the organization.
If one company is offering you lower package but have good environment, but if second company is offering you a higher package but have lower environment, so what would you do?
We are at engagement, we have to manage the other things and I'll go for the higher package.
Okay. Okay, great. Lakshita ma'am, you can continue.
Okay, so tell me a thing that you were appreciated for during your articleship period.
Means every work I got it and I had completed it on time and I managed the team in a way that where I can give the deliverables in on time.
Okay, so you were also appreciated for that? Or you are just
Yes.
appreciating yourself for that?
No, they appreciated me and most of the time they came to me and said it.
Okay, that's nice. Fine. And as you have mentioned about auditing of sale, right? Steel Authority of India.
Yes.
Okay, so
Limited
5
review.
audit findings of sale.
Important findings I found out in the during that. Means there is a mismatch of the stock details given by their client and what they had kept it in the system. So I found out it and informed the management, and later they rectified it, and P&L mismatches and other while doing ledger scrutiny, I found out a lot of errors in the ledgers and I made the journal entries rectified.
Okay. And what else?
That's it.
Okay. What is advanced ruling? As you have mentioned about international transaction in your CV, what is advanced ruling?
1 second, I'll recollect it. Advanced ruling is a method where we can apply to the department to give decision on the where we can't take the decision. We can apply for the department and they will give the respective decision to that, answer to that.
Are you sure this is the right answer?
50-50, I'm not sure. I'm not able to recall.
Okay, fine. And as you have mentioned that you have filed ITR forms, so which ITR forms were you filing during your articleship period?
All ITR forms. So from
All
1 to 7 I filed. Yes.
Okay. So brief me up about 1, 2, 3, 4 forms. ITR 1, 2, 3, 4.
ITR 1 is for salaried employees whose total income is less than 50 lakhs and who don't have capital gain income. And ITR 2 is for those people who salaried in persons who are having capital gain income also. And ITR 3 for the individuals who are liable for tax audit, and ITR 4 is for presumptive persons, individuals who opted for presumptive basis taxation.
Okay. So if I have agriculture income exceeding 5,000, so which ITR form do I have to file?
Agriculture income exceeding how
5,000.
much? 5,000. It is actually exempted income and it is within the basic exemption limit of 2,50,000. So there is no requirement of filing ITR.
No, I have other income also.
Other income means how much?
That exceeds 2,50,000.
Other income exceeds 2,50,000. Agriculture income, ITR 1.
Okay. Fine, sir. I'm done with all the questions.
Okay. So Sainath, last question from my side also, that your birthday is on 14th February, right?
Yes, sir.
It's a special date. So why do you celebrate 14th February?
14th February is a Valentine's Day, sir, where people propose to other persons and celebrate their love.
Okay, great. So it's done for today. Anything you want to ask from us?
Major improvements to
Yeah.
make. Actually, I found out that I have to focus on the company's annual reports and other things.
Okay. So how would you rate yourself in this interview out of 10?
Basically, in technical, I can give 8 to 10, sir. 8 points. And for in communication, I can rate 6 to 7.
Okay.